Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to begin by opening Settings. Then select the Bluetooth section and tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature. Now just wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, tap on the chosen one. Now, in order to continue, you need to select Pair in this pop-up and wait for the other smartphone to do exactly the same. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this icon next to the device and choose Unpair. If you wish to connect to the same one, tap on it and select Pair one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!